Building up shows our ambition, but tearing down reveals our true engineering genius, proving that destruction can be the ultimate form of creation. Witness 8 feats of demolition excellence, where unique structural challenges were overcome through engineering ingenuity and precision. Just before the dust settles, subscribe to Information Thin, share with curious minds, and tell us which demolition left you in awe. Watch where engineering meets epic destruction. Number 8. German Power Chimney. The massive 337-meter chimney at Germany's Westerhold power station held the distinction of being the tallest controlled demolition of any structure when it was imploded in a carefully orchestrated operation. Originally constructed in 1981, the immense concrete stack dominated the regional skyline for decades, serving as a landmark until the plant's eventual closure in 2005. Demolition engineers faced unprecedented challenges due to the structure's exceptional height and the need to control its collapse within a constrained industrial area. The technical team employed a sophisticated explosive placement strategy, using precisely calculated charges at both the base and midsection to ensure proper collapse direction and minimize environmental impact. The implosion attracted unexpectedly large crowds of spectators, necessitating temporary delays and additional safety precautions to protect observers and surrounding infrastructure. Number 7. Chinese skyscraper demolition. The 118-meter Golden Flower building in Xi'an presented a unique case study in the economics of building failure and urban redevelopment. Constructed in 1996, the skyscraper stood largely unused throughout its existence, representing a significant financial loss and urban planning challenge. Comprehensive structural assessments eventually determined that remodeling and bringing the tower up to current standards would be substantially more costly than complete replacement. The demolition operation required one of the most complex explosive arrangements ever deployed in China, with crews using 1.4 tons of specialized explosives and over 12,000 precisely timed detonators to implode the structure. Engineers implemented extensive safety measures, including excavating a 4-meter-deep trench around the building's perimeter to contain blast effects and prevent damage to the surrounding urban infrastructure. Number 6. Abu Dhabi Unfinished Towers. This ambitious 4-tower complex in Abu Dhabi achieved the unfortunate distinction of becoming the tallest unfinished building project ever demolished, representing both lost potential and engineering innovation. Construction initially began in 2007 with grand visions of a luxury residential and commercial development, but the project encountered insurmountable obstacles when ownership disputes and funding issues forced work to halt in 2012. Despite occasional attempts to revive the project, the 165-meter structures stood as silent monuments to failed ambition until 2020, when they became obstacles to Abu Dhabi's comprehensive urban redevelopment plans. The demolition operation required unprecedented coordination, with crews using approximately 13,000 pounds of specially formulated plastic explosives to collapse all 4 towers in a perfectly synchronized sequence. Number 5. Texas Beachfront Tower. The 115-meter ocean tower in South Padre Island represented one of the most dramatic structural failures in recent American construction history, culminating in its 2009 demolition. The luxury condominium project was envisioned as a premium beachfront destination featuring swimming pools, high-end fitness facilities, and spa amenities across multiple floors of luxury accommodations. During construction, engineers discovered catastrophic foundation settlement of approximately 40 centimeters that caused significant structural damage throughout the tower, including massive cracks propagating through critical support columns. Detailed analysis revealed that remediation would be economically unfeasible, leading to the difficult decision to demolish the partially completed structure. Number 4. Detroit Department Store. The implosion of the historic 134-meter J.L. Hudson department store in Detroit in 1998 represented far more than just a technical achievement. It symbolized the end of an era for the city's urban core. The building had operated as the world's tallest department store since its celebrated opening in 1911, serving generations of Detroit shoppers and becoming woven into the city's cultural identity. By the time of its demolition, the structure had become economically unsustainable, reflecting the broader challenges facing urban retail and downtown districts across America. The demolition planning required exceptional care in an increasingly fragile urban environment, with engineers developing blast patterns that would contain the collapse within the building's footprint while minimizing impact on adjacent structures. Number 3. Massachusetts cooling towers. The dramatic demolition of Brayton Point's two 152-meter cooling towers in 2019 established multiple records, including being the tallest cooling towers ever imploded in a controlled demolition. The coal-fired power plant had been a dominant feature of the New England energy landscape, operating continuously from the 1960s until its final closure in 2017. The simultaneous demolition of both towers required exquisite timing and coordination, attracting regional spectators who understood they were witnessing both an engineering spectacle and a symbolic moment in energy transition history. Engineers faced unique challenges related to the thin-shell concrete construction of the towers, which demanded specially designed explosive patterns to ensure complete structural failure. Number 2. German University Tower. The 116-meter AFE Tower in Frankfurt represented a significant milestone in European demolition history when it was imploded in 2014, holding the distinction of being the tallest building ever demolished on the continent. The distinctive university tower had stood vacant for several years, becoming both an architectural landmark and a subject of ongoing debate about its future. Initial demolition plans favored mechanical dismantling to minimize disruption in the dense urban environment, but growing public impatience with the prolonged process eventually led authorities to approve explosive demolition. The decision attracted over 30,000 spectators to witness the event, creating substantial logistical challenges for security and safety coordination. Number 1. Florida Beacon Tower. The 116-meter landmark tower in Fort Worth embodied both the ambitions and vulnerabilities of mid-century American architecture during its operational life. When constructed in 1957, the structure featured the world's largest revolving clock and stood as the city's tallest building, representing Fort Worth's economic aspirations and modernization efforts. The tower gradually declined in prominence and utility over subsequent decades, eventually being abandoned as urban patterns shifted and maintenance costs escalated. A powerful tornado in 2000 inflicted significant damage on the already vulnerable structure, effectively determining its ultimate fate through natural intervention rather than economic factors alone. The demolition and subsequent replacement with a parking structure represented a pragmatic rather than ambitious reuse of valuable urban space, reflecting changing priorities in urban land use.